Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best pasta maker machine available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the Marcato 150 Atlas Pasta Maker. Our top choice for the top pasta machine is the sleek and fashionable Marcato 150 Atlas pasta machine that can take your kitchen to the center of Italy. It comes with 3 pasta shapes that can be used to make lasagna, fettuccine, and tagliolini at your home. The hand crank is easy to use and allows you to feel accomplished as compared to the automatic pasta makers. And if you are bored of the 3 types of pasta that are standard, there are 12 more attachments to help you discover your love for pasta further. It might be somewhat difficult to clean manually, particularly initially, but with these amazing results, it's not a problem. With it, you can enjoy high-end restaurant pasta or savor old recipes from your family any night or day of the week. Moving up at number 2 is the Philips Compact Pasta and Noodle Maker. This Philips Compact Pasta and Noodle Maker is among the most convenient options for kitchen use around and is perfect for those with limited space on their counters. The lack of space should not be a reason to can't enjoy freshly made pasta. However, thanks to its compact design, you can slide it right next to your toaster without any problems. It takes about 18 minutes to mix and extrude. It's not the fastest model, and it can be a challenge in cleaning. But, the 3 pasta discs offer many options, even though you'll find more options with cheaper models. It's simple to use and comes with built-in disk storage that keeps everything organized and clear of clutter, and the clear dough chamber is entertaining and relaxing to look at for those who want to reach an ambience of zen-like pasta. At number 3 on our list is the Imperia Pasta Maker. Our third choice would be our third pick, the Imperia Pasta Maker, which is robust and long-lasting, that is built to last the generations. The classic design will make you feel it right at home, and the user-friendly features ensure a great time all the way around. It comes with an ergonomic wood grip handle as well as easy-to-lock adjustments. Additionally, its double cutting head can allow to create a variety of fresh pasta designs to allow you to play around with. Once you've got these down options, you can purchase additional attachments to expand your experience and showcase your skills to everyone around you. We are awestruck by the ease of clean. However, you might be a bit hesitant with the clamping mechanism at first. It could be becoming accustomed to it, and in time, you'll be cooking pasta as a pro. At number 4 is the GOURMEX Manual Pasta Maker Machine. When we first got our GOURMEX pasta machine, the quality of the components and craftsmanship was apparent. It is made of stainless steel that is heavy-duty. Each piece is assembled perfectly and it is extremely solid. It's not a surprise that GOURMEX gives a lifetime guarantee for the product. It isn't like you'll need to utilize it. Additionally, it's finished in sparkling chrome and red paint that gives it an authentic Italian appearance. It includes a double cutter head that is able to cut broad fettuccine or narrow spaghetti, and an adjustable thickness dial that has 7 different settings for thickness. This makes it possible to create virtually any type of pasta effortlessly. It is secured to the countertop using an anchor and features small dimensions that are simple to wash and don't take up a lot of space in the cabinet. The 5th product on our list is the Cestari Ultimate Pasta Maker. With a unique 9-position dial and high-quality materials and a unique 9-position dial, it is the Cestari Ultimate Pasta Machine is worth the extra cash you spend to purchase it. It is among the best manual options on the market that has a modern chrome finish that will enhance the appearance of both modern and traditional kitchens. You can cut and roll noodles or pasta to the desired thickness, and the smooth crank will give you a pleasant experience each time. In contrast to other pasta machines, it comes with suction cups at the base to ensure it stays solid and secure, which will prevent any damage to your countertop, but if that's not enough, the clamp is included as well. It's one of the cleanest pasta machines. However, the roller, while quite good, appears to be lacking something, and you could have a few problems earlier than you'd like. It's also a great present for the foodies who are in your life. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.